In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from different exchange to another. This is whether you want to send any cryptocurrency from Bybit to Binance or Bitget or KuCoin or Coinbase to any other crypto exchange you want to interact. But the first thing first, that you need to know the crypto network you are interacting with. Now, for you to do that, you need to go to Assets. Now, when you go to Assets, you will see every cryptocurrency you have in your wallet. In this case, all the cryptocurrency you will have will be either in spot or funding account, or some of them will also be in derivative if you are trading crypto futures. All you need to do is just to transfer it from the derivative account to spot or to funding. Now, for you to do that, you need to use transfer button option, but this is not the video for that. But I'm here to show you how to send any cryptocurrency to another crypto exchange. So click on spot. Now, if you click on spot, this is where you see every other cryptocurrency that you have. But in this case, I want us to experiment with this particular crypto called Aptos, which is the ticker symbol is ATP. Just click on it. If I want to send this Aptos to another crypto exchange, this is what I would do. I will just click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, I'll find myself here. Now, this is where I need to paste in the address. Now, you can see the another option is network. You need to know the network you are interacting with, because why? If you send Aptos to another different network, you will actually lose your cryptocurrency. Now, if you click on the option of network, you can see what they said there. Please choose a chain type. You can also call it chain or network. It's still the same thing. Just click on it. You can see the only network they are allowing for you to send or receive Aptos on Bybit is for you to use Aptos network. In this case, I must use Aptos network to send or receive my Aptos. So I will need to select it. But before then, let's go to Binance and copy the Aptos network. I'll just go to my Binance straight up. And once you come to Binance, just head over to Wallet. Then you click on Deposit. Now, once you click on Deposit, you need to manually search for it. You can actually manually search for the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, but this is actually a lot of work. But if you know the ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to send or you want to receive, it makes it easy. Just go to this search icon and type in ATP, which is Aptos. You need to know the ticker symbol for you to do that. You can see it has come up. I click on Aptos. Now, once I click on Aptos, Binance will show me this for me to select the network. But you can see on Binance, the only network that you will use to receive Aptos is only the Aptos network. Just click on the Aptos. If you click on the Aptos, you just have to copy the deposit address. Just click on copy. Once you click on copy, you head over to Bybit. But you can as well click on these more details to know more information about this. This is where you see the network, where you'll be receiving the cryptocurrency, which is your spot wallet. You can see the minimum deposit and every other information you can actually see there. So let's head over to Bybit to send these Aptos back to Binance. So let's go to Bybit. I'm back to Bybit. All I need to do is just to click and paste the address. You can see I've pasted the address. Now, this is where I have to put the minimum amount or the amount I want to send. But in this case, you can only withdraw 0.01 Aptos. I could just click on max. Now, if you have your cryptocurrency on funding, you can just select it. But by default, Bybit has already spotted my cryptocurrency on my spot account. So all I need to do is just to click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, I'll go through the verification process to be able to see that all my details are correct so I can be able to withdraw. Once I click on confirm, I just have to put in the security code, which is getting a code from my email and also getting a code from Google Authenticator. But I won't be able to do this because I still want my Aptos to be in my Bybit. Now, this is just how to do it. Now, let's say, for example, I also want to do the same thing on USDT. Let me also show you. This is how you can actually do this on any cryptocurrency of your choice. Now, let's say I want to send out this USDT to another crypto exchange. I just have to click on the USDT. Then I click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, I have to paste in the wallet address. But in this case, I need to know the network. Let's say, for example, someone wants to send you a cryptocurrency. Know the crypto network that the person wants to use to send it to you. It is important for you to know this, because if you send the wrong crypto network, you could lose that particular cryptocurrency. In this network options, just click on it. You can see so many networks that you can use to receive or send USDT on Bybit platform. You can see ERC20, TRC20, Arbitron1, Sol, BEP20, which is the Binance network, ZK Sync, Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Mantle. These are so many networks. You can also see Ton. Now, depending on the network you want to interact with, this is also very important. And the same thing goes if you want to receive any cryptocurrency. Let's say, for example, if you want to receive Bitcoin, you could just click on deposit. Now, this same thing works on Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, or any other exchange of your choice. Let me take you to Binance for you to see how to, choose different network depending on what you want to receive. If you go back to Binance, you can go to deposit section. Let's click on deposit. Now, this is where you select any cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Let's say someone wants to send you Bitcoin. You just click on Bitcoin. And once you click on Bitcoin, you have to select the network. Now, you can see there are some networks here. You can see BTC Swagwit network. I don't really know about this network, but this is not the main Bitcoin network. Now, this second network that says Bitcoin is the main Bitcoin network. You can also see Smart Chain, which is BNB network. This is not the real Bitcoin, but it also have the same Bitcoin price. It's also valued at Bitcoin, but it's not the main Bitcoin network. You can also see Ethereum network and another network, which is Beacon Chain network. But in this case, if you want to receive Bitcoin with Bitcoin network, just select the Bitcoin network and copy your address and send to the person, or send to another, or go to another exchange that you want to transfer it to. Now, the same thing goes if you want to also receive Ethereum. You can also click on Ethereum, then you select the network. Now, these are the supported network. The first thing first is just to know the crypto network you are interacting with. So once you know the network you want to interact with, select it and go to that crypto exchange that you want to send it from, and send it to any other crypto exchange of your choice. I believe you got value from this video. If you want me to make any other video that you are interested in, you can comment below and tell me the next video I need to make. So I'll be creating content that can help you to navigate the cryptocurrency industry. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification.